Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can go ahead and check a process log of any production process. So first of all we need to go in production module. On your left hand side you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now once you will come in production module, this is the production dashboard. There is one of my completed production process in which I want to see that exactly what actions have been taken. You can go ahead and open production process at any stage and can check the process log, but currently I will go ahead and check it for my one of my completed production as it will give me a better view. So click on the production process, it will open. Now here this particular production process is completed. On your right hand side you will see an option of process log. Click on process log. Now once you will open the process log, please check. Here is the list of all the activities taken by him and at what time. You can very well go ahead and increase the row view, and accordingly can see that when this process was created, when was it published, then after when was the material requested for issuance and at what time by user. Each and every detail you will be getting. Same you will be getting in the report as well. We do have a specific report for this also. I hope this video will be helpful to you in checking your process log. Have a good day ahead.